Namaste and welcome to the RPS Business channel. Today I am going to describe regarding antidotes. An antidote is a substance that can counteract a form of poisoning. It means it will stop to form the poison. So it is derived from Greek word antidoton. It means medicine given as a remedy or given against. Antidotes for anticoagulants are sometimes referred to as reversible agent. Some other toxins have no non-antidote. For example, the poison aconitin, a highly poisonous alkaloid derived from various aconitin species. It has no antidote and as a result is often fatal if it enters the human body in sufficient quantities. In this video, I have explained about antidotes which should be familiarized to all health workers in emergency situation quickly. So I have described here drugs or agents, antidotes and mode of action. Let us start acetaminophen or paracetamol or Tylenol. For this we should give N-acetylcysteine. How does it work means restore depleted glutathione stores and protects against the renal and hepatic failure. Non-specific poisons except cyanide, iron, lithium, caustic and alcohol. Its antidote is activated charcoal used for many oral toxins known as universal antidote. How does it work means absorption of drug in the gastric and intestinal tract interrupt the enterohepatic cycle with multiple dose. For anticholinergic, diphenhydramine dimenhydrinate. Antidote is physostigmine. Anticholinesterase which cause accumulation of acetylcholine at cholinergic receptor sites. For anticholinesterase, antidote is atropine sulfate or paralytoxin. Mode of action is competitive inhibition of muscarinic receptors. Antifreeze, antidote is fomepizole or ethanol. For heavy metals, arsenic, copper, lead, mercury, gold or zinc, we should give antidotes as dimercaprol, ADTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, D. penicillamine, Sacimar, DMSA, 2,3-dimer captosuccinic acid. Aspirin tricarboxylic antidepressant with a wide QRS, we should give the sodium bicarbonate as an antidote. For amatoxin injection, we should give antidotes as IV silibinin. For atropine organophosphates, insecticide, nerve agents or some poison mushrooms, we should give pyrrolidoxime chloride 2 pm. For benzodiazepines, we should give the antidotes as a fulmazenil. Competitive inhibition at the benzodiazepine binding site on the GABA receptor. For beta blocking agents, calcium channel blockers, hypoglycemic agents, we should give antidotes as a glucagon or epinephrine, insulin. Stimulate the formation of adenyl cyclase causing intracellular increase in cyclic AMP and enhance the glycogenolysis and elevated serum glucose concentration. Calcium channel blockers, we should give the antidotes as a calcium chloride, glucagon or insulin. For carbon monoxide, we should give the pure oxygen as a antidotes. For cobra bite, we should give antidotes as a snake antivenom, neutralizes venom by binding with circulating venom components and with locally deposited venom by accumulating at the bite site. For coumarin warfarin, or it is known as an anticoagulant. For this one, we should give antidotes as a phytonadione or vitamin K. How does it work means bypass inhibition of vitamin K epoxide reductase enzyme. For cyanide poisoning, we should give amyl nitrate, hydroxycobalamin, sodium nitrate, sodium thiosulfate, glycerol trinitrate. Replenishes depleted thiosulfate stores by acting as a sulfur donor necessary for the conversion of CnO or thiocyanate through the action of sulfur transferase enzyme rhodonase. Form cyanocobalamin, a non-toxic metabolite that is easily excreted through the kidney. Another for cyanide poisoning also, nitrite sodium and glycerol trinitrate oxidizes hemoglobin to methemoglobin, which binds the free cyanide and can enhance endothelial cyanide detoxification by producing vasodilation. For cyclophosphamide, we should give the Mesna, a chemoprotectant drug that reduces the undesired effects of certain chemotherapy drugs. For digoxin, we should give Digibind or digoxin-immune FAP as antidotes bind molecules of digoxin, making them unavailable for binding at their site of action on cells in the body. For dopamine, we should give phentolamine. Phentolamine produces an alpha-adrenergic block of relatively short duration. It also has a direct but less marked positive inotropic and chronotropic effect on cardiac muscle and vasodilator effects on vascular smooth muscle. For ethylene glycol, we should give antidotes such as fomepizole or ethanol, a competitive inhibitors of the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase found in the liver. The enzyme play a key role in the metabolism of ethylene glycol and methanol. For ethylene poisoning, we should give antizole as antidotes. For ergotamine, we should give heparin, a reverse hypercoagulable state by interacting with the antithrombin third. It is used in the combination with vasodilator, phentolamine or nitroprusside to prevent local thrombosis and ischemia. For extrapyramidal symptoms, we should give diphenhydramine, a potent antagonist to acetylcholine in muscarinic receptors. For fluoride ingestion, we should give as antidotes calcium salts, rapidly complexes with fluoride ion. Fluorouracil, we should give as antidotes as a leucovorin calcium. For heparin, we should give as a protamine sulfate. Protamine that is strongly basic combines with acidic heparin forming a stable complex and neutralizes the anticoagulant activity of both the drugs. Hydrofluoric acid, we can give as antidotes calcium gluconate. For iron, deferoxamine as antidotes acts by binding free iron in bloodstream and enhancing its elimination in urine. For iron, another one is sodium bicarbonate or NaSCO3 prevents conversion of ferrous to ferric. Insulin. For insulin, antidotes we can give as a glucose dextrose 50%. Dextrose, the monosaccharide glucose, is used, distributed and stored by body tissue and is metabolized to carbon dioxide and water with the release of energy. For lead poisoning, we can give dimercaprol calcium or ADTA disodium. How does it work means chelation of lead ions and endogenous metals, example zinc, copper, iron or manganese. Local anesthetic and possibly other cardiac toxin, example bupropion, calcium channel blockers, cocaine, beta blockers, tricyclic antidepressant. We can give fat emulsion that is intralipid, lipocin second and lipocin third as an antidotes. For Levodox, we can give as a protamine sulfate. For local anesthetic, we can give as a intralipid. For magnesium sulfate, we can give as antidotes as a calcium gluconate, a chemoprotectant drug that reduces the undesired effect of certain chemotherapy drugs. For methanol, antidotes is ethanol or folic acid. For mushroom poisoning, we can give as a benzyl penicillin. Proteins binding sites allowing increase the renal excretion may also inhibit penetration of amatoxin to hepatocytes. For methotrexate, leucovorin calcium. How does it work? Means protects the healthy cells from the effect of methotrexate while allowing methotrexate to enter and kill cancer cells. Methemoglobin. We can give antidotes as a methylene blue. Reduces methemoglobin to hemoglobin. Methylene blue. Chemical producing severe methemoglobin and liposamide induced encephalopathy. Reduces methemoglobin to hemoglobin. Narcotic morphine sulfate or opioid drug we can give as a naloxone or nalmefene. Antagonize opioid effects by competing for the mu receptor, kappa receptor, and sigma opioid receptor sites in the CNS with the greatest affinity for mu receptors. For neuromuscular blockade paralytics, we can give as anticholinergic agents. For oxytocin, we can give as atosiban as antidotes. For potassium, we can give as albuterol inhaler or insulin or glucose or sodium bicarbonate as antidotes. For serotonin reuptake inhibitors, we can give as cyproheptadine. For sulfonylurea, we can give as octreotide or glucose. For theophylline, we can give as a beta blocker. For tricyclic antidepressant, physohistamine or sodium bicarbonate or reversible anticholinergics which effectively increase the concentration of acetylcholine at the site of cholinergic transmission. Isoniazid, theophylline, monomethyl hydrazine adjunctive therapy in ethylene glycol poisoning we can give as a pyridoxine. How does it work? Means reverse acute pyridoxine deficiency by promoting GABA synthesis, promotes the conversion of toxic metabolite glycolic acid to glycine. For vitamin B1, thiamine, alcohol, Rinke-Kakor, Sakov syndrome are adjunctive to ethylene alcohol. Reverse the acute thiamine deficiency, enhance the detoxification of glycolic acid. For vitamin C, today last slide. For vitamin C ascorbic acid, chemical cause methemoglobinemia in patients with G6PD deficiency, reduces the methemoglobin to hemoglobin. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel RPH Vishnu Sir.